If you want to combine data in Excel that's split across multiple columns, like a first name and a last name, don't waste your time doing it by hand. Excel has a formula to speed it up. I'll show you. So in this example, I've got my first name and my last name, and the third field is going to combine them. So I'll type equals CONCAT. I'll select the first name, comma, and then the last name. Now the issue here, though, is that we need a space in the middle of the name. It looks a little bit weird right now. So I'm going to update my formula. So after the first name, I'm going to put a space in quotations. So concatenate the first name, insert a space, and then add the last name. All right, that looks better. Now to autofill the formula down the column, I'm going to select this cell and double-click the bottom right corner. Now another issue might be is if you delete the original columns, which would make sense, maybe you no longer need them. When you do that, you're going to get this error. That's because the formula is using cells that are no longer there, the first name and the last name. So I'll fix this by first undoing it using Control-Z. I'm going to select my full name, copy it, and then paste it in as values to remove the original formulas. Now I can delete those first two columns, and I won't get that error. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more. And if you want to go deeper, I have a full Excel course in the links below.